Hey guys, this is Jennifer. I'm doing a quick video. I'm getting ready to go into my faculty meeting today, but I wanted to. My hair is looking kind of spiky, so I'm just going to do a quick little roll. I recently interlocked my hair. I'm doing interlock. I started off with palm roll, but I found that my hair was not staying no matter how, using oil, water, berries, juices, whatever. I could not get it to stay. So I'm taking one of these little clips right here. If you just saw what I did, I just rolled my hair just so it can kind of stay out of my face. And I'm rolling this side toward the back, like so. I should just kind of do something like this. Give me a little bit more volume. So I have my trusty pins. If y'all hear that noise in the background, that is everybody getting ready to get on. So they're all saying hey and all that. So I think I'll just leave it like this. So it's just kind of like a little roll just to get it off my hair. And so I'll show you what it looks like from the back. Of course, you could roll up the top if you want to, but this is just a quick roll just to get my hair out the way. I might go ahead and pin this up using these clips. Okay, that's good enough. Some of the hairs are probably still hanging down, but it's off my face. That's what's most important. I'll probably come back a little bit later and do a glam up. If you already noticed, I do have a basic look on. I put a little CC cream on and eyeliner, but I'm going to amp up my face a little later. A little lip gloss and foundation, but I'm going to amp it up later. So see you soon.